All right, what's going on YouTube? How's it going? My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader, and I'm here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. This is the Jim of All Trades channel. Hey, I got to get this video out pretty quick. We got a pump going on, and I wanted to just stop and give you some ideas about what it could be doing. So, welcome to the channel. Don't forget, none of this is financial advice. Well, our Telegram group, I didn't get a video out for you guys, but our Telegram group, we're long here. We hit this long around in the $6,200 range to the $6,300 range. I warned everybody midday today. I said basically if we're going to break out of this wedge, this is an ending diagonal ABC to the upside. Now at that time I didn't know whether it was just going to be just a three-way. Oops, sorry. At that time, I didn't know if it was just going to be a three-wave move to the upside, then more down, or if it was going to be a larger move. Well, we just broke this high, so we got confirmation to the upside. Now, it's not confirmation completely to our upside targets quite yet. Let me show you what could be going on here. So, at the end of the day, this could indeed be our move to the upside. Okay, so remember some of the counts that we're looking at. We have this. Let me draw it properly. Not a running triangle, a running flat, I should say, right there. We talked about that yesterday. It could be done. This could be the one wave, and that's a two wave, and now we're in the middle of making the next wave to the upside. So that's a possibility that we're actually headed to our upside targets finally, and this is just the beginning of that move. So what else could it be? Well, what else could it be? Well, we have a three-wave move there, a three-wave move there, and this is going to be a three-wave move down to the downside as well. So this would actually be a three-wave move there. Let's see. So that we have right there. Yeah, it's not a very great. Basically, it would look like this. I don't like to. Okay, now if we break this high, then that counts off the table. Okay, so this could simply just be a 5-3-5 move that is part of this three-wave move that we're looking for down to the $5,200 region. So watch out, be on guard for the downside move, but if we break this high, guys, we're most likely going to continue on to the upside. Okay, so it's looking pretty good right now to the upside, but we're just going to have to be cautious here. Right now, I've just got my stop personally at break even. I'm just going to let this thing ride. If it comes on down and breaks that, then then we'll have some confirmation to the downside. But right now, I'm kind of biased to the upside and looking for this thing to ride on up. Okay, so yeah, this is looking fantastic. Let's check out Ethereum here and see what Ethereum's doing. Ethereum looks like it's breaking out of a triangular pattern. It has more of a triangular pattern than Bitcoin does. I like the wave delineation better in Ethereum. As far as the triangle is concerned, so we could have a breakout. We'll have to wait and see if this follows through. We got upside targets right in this structure zone around $200, around that ballpark. So that's looking good. Litecoin, let's check it out. Again, we get a little bit of breakout candle. We need to see if we're going to get the follow through. Again, we have a potential to the downside. This could be a WXY as I've drawn right here. Okay, when all we're getting is just a move like that. So I have to wait and see if we get the follow through. That's the key, guys. We got to see if we get the follow through. So still not out of the woods yet as far as ignorance is concerned. Okay, still waiting to see get confirmation to the up or to the down. Still could go either way. I'm biased to the upside. That is a pretty strong move today. Basically, I would look for a three-wave pullback of some kind, a three-wave pullback, something like that. Enter long there. If you missed your entry, that's going to be your entry for the long haul there. Let's zoom into the 15-minute chart and just see. Let's go to the 5-minute chart and see if we can see what we can see here as far as wave action is concerned. Looks like we've got a 1-2. This looks like the third wave just finished, and then we're going to get a fourth wave, and then one more to the upside. That would be an impulse wave complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Impulse wave complete. Look for a three-wave pullback somewhere around structure, and boom, heading up again. So that's a possibility. Be aware of that. Be also aware of this five-wave move just completing, not breaking this high, and then we get a strong rejection to the downside. So be aware of that possibility as well. So two possibilities on the table, guys. Watch out for a strong rejection. Here's what I would be looking for. Basically, a break and a hold of this high up here, we're going up. A break of this low right here, 6100, 6150 in that ballpark, a break of that low, going down. Okay, so that's kind of the way I would eyeball that. So let's put a line of death here in the 6150 region. Let's put a line of death right there. And let's see what price does. Okay, all right, guys, you guys have a fantastic day. If you're not part of the Telegram group, guys, they were updated today. They were in the know as far as this trade is concerned. Let me just show you today. Let's see. I warned everybody about the potential of this particular wave the other day with this video. That was a couple of days ago. And then we had this post right here where I drew this line and I said basically I'm looking for a long. I'll go long with the breakout of the wedge. We got the breakout of the wedge, and basically I announced that where is my announcement? I guess I just announced it. Let's see. Let me find it. Sorry, guys. Um, da, 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 da. Chatting in this trade. Where did I announce it? Oh, yeah, yeah. There it is. I'm long from 62.96. I was a little late because I was working, but late to the game. But I got in anyway. Other people got in 62.40, 62.30. They were ready for that. So we had a good trade today in the Telegram group. So if you're not part of that group, you should be. Okay, you should be. Come join the fun, and I'll give signals when high probability trades. That are showing themselves, and this was a very high probability to the trade. And so now where we take profit, that's a little question mark. I'm personally going to hold my trade and bet to the upside. But if it comes back on me, it comes back on me. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Okay. All right. You guys have a fantastic night. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.